Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on PC with a controller. First, connect your controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection, or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, ensure your computer recognizes the controller as an input device. Some controllers might require a quick driver installation for the best performance, so check your manufacturer's website if needed. Now that your controller is connected, launch Call of Duty and head into the game's settings menu. Look for the Controller or Input section. Here, you can customize your button layout to match your playstyle, adjust sensitivity for precise aiming, and fine-tune aim assist to give you an edge. Take your time to explore these options. To truly master controller play, calibrate your device for optimal responsiveness. This ensures your movements and aiming are as precise as possible. Then, jump into private matches or the firing range to get comfortable with your new setup. Experiment with different sensitivity levels until you find what feels most natural and effective for your gameplay. Practice makes perfect. For advanced users, consider exploring third-party software for even more customized controller mapping, allowing you to assign complex actions to simple button presses. Also, optimize your PC's display settings, like refresh rate and resolution, for the smoothest possible gaming experience. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.